Pros and cons of engineered wood flooring. Engineered wood flooring has become very common in many areas of the world including Singapore. A lot of companies who provide flooring services in Singapore make use of the material due to its advantages. Along with finding a good flooring company for the structuring of your floor, choosing the right material is also very important. To help you make the right choice, here are the pros and cons of using such material. The reason why most architects and engineers recommend engineered wood flooring is that its many benefits outweigh its fallbacks. Here are some of the advantages of engineered wood flooring. 1. It looks almost perfect. Engineered wood is different from the common hardwood since it is made with several layers. This is the reason why, compared to hardwood, engineered wood flooring looks smoother. Many individuals choose engineered flooring because it really looks attractive. 2. It does not expand. Another advantage of choosing engineered wood is that it does not expand or contract with climate changes. Problems with hardwood floors usually arise when they suddenly expand or contract as years go by. 3. It is cost-effective. For most individuals, the reason why they choose engineered wood flooring is due to its cost-effectiveness. Although it looks perfectly fine, engineered flooring is cheaper compared to hardwood flooring. Installation is also a lot easier. 4. Does not require a great deal of maintenance. You also do not need to wax engineered flooring as frequently as that of hardwood. This is because it can maintain its smoothness and shine for long periods of time. However, in order to make it look as good as the first time it was installed, you should apply wax regularly. Here are some of the disadvantages of having engineered flooring. 1. Shorter lifespan. Engineered flooring does not last as long as hardwood flooring. It may be good for several years to decades, but its lifespan does not match its counterpart. 2. It is not as eco-friendly as wood flooring. During the installation of your engineered flooring, the service provider will be using certain materials such as glue. These materials may be harmful to the environment, making it one of the disadvantages of having an engineered floor. When it comes to practicality and fashion, it is good for you to choose engineered wood flooring. You should, however, make sure to choose the right company in Singapore who can provide the service efficiently.